Welcome. If you want to personalize notification settings in your LG K42, let's go for the settings. Next, tap on the notifications, and at the first we can adjust notifications at the lock screen. We can, for example, hide all of them. After that, we can also adjust notifications from every app that we have on the smartphone. So we can just simply turn off notifications for every app from every app by tapping on the switchers. And if you want to turn on notifications for any app, you have to also tap on the switcher and then just make it on the green color like that. And it means that notifications are activated from this app. So that's how we can change it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.